Okay, so we've got an identity here. Okay, I know it's an identity because there's 3 lines there. Okay, what that means is that both sides are identical. Okay, not just for one value of theta, you know, where we normally solve an equation and we get a value of theta where it's equal, just like we did in question 2. It's not like that. These sides are identical for every value of theta. Okay, and we're going to try and prove that here. Okay, so that's why there's 3 lines there. Now, when I come to a proof question, I always sort of like consider the left hand side to start with. Okay, and let's work out to see if I can manipulate this to get the right hand side. Okay, you'll notice above now I've written all the identities here for the cos 2 theta, because these are identities as well. Okay, because this is always true for every value of theta. I've also written sine 2 theta. Now, I need to sort of use one of these here, okay, for cos 2 theta. And you know what? My thinking is to go with this last one here. The reason why is, I notice on the right hand side, I've got tan theta, haven't I? And of course, we know tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So I want to try and get sort of like sine on the top somehow, right? So that's my thinking anyway. So if I substitute this in, okay, I'll be possibly on the right direction here, on the right path. So I've got 1 minus cos 2 theta. So don't forget the minus, and then cos 2 theta, then we'll use this. So put it in a bracket, okay, because I want to minus it. Okay, I want to minus all this, put it in a bracket, all over then sine 2 theta. Well, remember now, sine 2 theta is this. Okay, that's the result for sine 2 theta, which you need to learn as well. Now on the top then, okay, well, we've got 1 take away 1, okay, and then the minus applied to the minus becomes a plus. So we'll just get rid of that bracket there. And nicely then, what you'll notice is those 1's cancel. Okay, so we end up with 2 sine squared theta over 2 sine theta cos theta. And then you'll notice when we're dividing, well, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so they cancel. And also you can notice as well, we can cancel that power squared with the sine theta here. Okay, so we're cancelling out a sine. So we end up with sine theta over cos theta, which is exactly what we want, isn't it? Sine theta over cos theta is tan theta. And that is what the right hand side is equal to. So we could say equals to right hand side. So therefore we've proved it.